Hi there and welcome to another video. So, been a while since I bought myself something off of Amazon, so I thought it was time I rectified that. So I bought myself a little something there. And as you can see, it's already been chewed by the cat in the corners. Anyway guys, if you want to see what's in the box, I shall illuminate you. So guys, what we have in this here box is the Neewer 2-pack dimmable 5600K USB LED video light, complete with adjustable stand and some colour filters. So, would you like to see what's in this box? Well, I don't really do unboxings, so we won't need that. We'll just have a look and see what's in there. So guys, we're looking at the LED light panel. So it comes with a diffuser which is already attached, but that just slides off there guys, and that reveals the 66 LEDs. So it's a nice little diffuser there which just slides in, into there nicely like that. So that's the light panel itself. So as I said, it has 66 LEDs. Its power output is 10 watts and its color temperature is 5600K. So what you need to power it is a 5-volt USB power brick, which plugs into the USB socket there. So that's the sort of thing that you would use on your mobile phone or your tablet, and you can even actually plug it into your laptop to power it up. But I'm not sure that I trust that, to be honest. But there's the control. So in the middle we have the, I just lift that up there. So in the middle we have the on and off button there, and then these two little buttons here toggle it up and down for brightness. So it's not it's a stepped brightness, not a continuous movement on there. So it's actually stepped up and down for the brightness. So that is the light. Oh, and it also comes with the, what's that? That's the GoPro mount. Now this actually unscrews to reveal under that the standard 1/4-20 tripod, but it comes with the GoPro mount. So that's the first part of the kit, and as I said, we get two of those guys. So let's look at what comes in the kit next. So folks, the next part we get in the kit is this, which is, I suppose, what they're calling well, it's a selfie stick, I suppose. It's just a bog standard selfie stick. You can see that by the fact that it's got this rubber grip on the bottom and a lanyard. But on the top there, it's again the GoPro fingers. So all you do to use this is just easy is to pull it out, and when you get to it you just twist it and it locks, and then twist it the opposite way and it slides back in again. So just goes up and down like that guys, just twists and locks like that. So that is basically nothing more than a selfie stick, and again we get two of these. So one thing I'm going to do is get rid of that, because I don't think that's going to help in any way for the lighting, and I don't know why you can see that, but on the bottom this one it actually comes with the 1/4-20 tripod bush as well. So I said we get two of those. So the next part of the kit is this, which they're calling the desktop tripod. So here's the 1/4-20 thread on the top, and that just opens up into a nice little tripod. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, it's not going to hold a lot of weight, but be perfectly adequate for the lighting kit. So that's the next bit of the puzzle. So we're now looking at the next part of the kit, which is a mini ball head. Now, oddly enough, some of the kits come with the ball head and some of the kits doesn't. I don't know why, but my kit seemed to come with this little ball head there. So I'm sure that'll come in useful, but I don't really know whether that would actually be useful for the lighting, because I don't know whether you're actually going to want to move the whole of the lighting kit all the way around like that. But useful little bit of equipment there that I'm sure, if not being used for the lighting, will be used for something else. So that's the next part of the kit. So folks, we're now looking at the last part of the kit, which is 3 coloured gels. So we have the yellow and the blue and the red. Now they're looking a bit dull, but they've still got their protective plastic covers on. So they will just slide in front of the light, either with or without the diffuser on. I suppose with the diffuser off, you'll get much more of a stronger colour cast. But anyway guys, that's the kit. So folks, I thought we'd just take a quick look at it all set up. So there we go, there's the LED light sat on top, and here we go, it's mounted now, look there with the GoPro fingers, and that's the stand. So the stand actually extends to just under 3 foot, so it's not massively tall. We've gone down to the bottom, and there's a little tripod mount on the bottom. There you go guys, so that's the actual setup. So as I said, it's only 3 foot, so if you wanted it taller, you can just remove that mounting bush there and just mount it onto a lighting stand or your tripod. Anyway guys, there you go, that's it all set up. So guys, that was the Neewer twin pack USB powered lighting panel set. Yes, that's a bit of a mouthful, that one. So I bought that in one of those Amazon Lightning deals. The original price was, I think, just over the £45, but I paid £23 for that, or just over £23. So I think that was a bit of a bargain. Now, oddly enough, there's actually 2 sets, almost identical. The only difference being that one of them had that little ball head set up in it, and one didn't. But other than that, no difference, and very little difference in price. So now, what did I buy the set for? Well, mainly for photography, more so than videography, because I think they're going to be a little bit low down for the talking head videos like this. So it was mainly for photography. I will try them out for talking heads like this, but as I said, that stand is only just over 3 foot, so I think it's going to be a little bit short. So I'd have to sort of mount it on a lighting stand or a tripod, or on a table or something like that. But for £23, it's was definitely worth a try. And don't really know much about continuous lighting. Did a lot of flash photography in the past, but continuous lighting like that is something that I'm going to have to educate myself about. So that's really it guys. I think that's it for this video. And oh, I suppose you want to see one switched on, do you? Okay then, just bear with me 1 minute guys. Now I'm not going to point it straight at the camera because probably burn the sensor to a crisp. But anyway, let me just reach over, so excuse me a minute guys. So I'm going to find the switch. Right, are we ready? So let's hit the go button. I'm just going to turn it around a bit, so I'm going to be looking straight at it, and it's probably going to blind me. Here we go. On with the light. So can you see a difference? So let's turn that off. So that's the light. Oh, that is bright. So that is just sort of just out of shot. So that is on its maximum power. So let me just drop the. So I'm just going to drop it down. So that's now down to its minimum. I think it's about 9 clicks. Let's count them up. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. 9, yeah, 9 clicks I think that was. That is hellishly bright. So that's just out of shot here guys. So in theory, if you were lighting a video like this, you'd have one sort of here and one sort of over there. You'd have, I think it's called a key light and a fill light. I don't really know much about lighting, but that is bright. Let me just bring it round just so you can just get it in the shot. I don't want to get too much because I'll probably burn the sensor. But yeah, that is really bright. Should we try one of the coloured filters on just to see if it makes me look an odd colour? Just bear with me a minute guys. So there you go guys. That's got a red filter on it now. See, so that's got the, just bringing it around, I'm just watching something. So there you go, that's with the, can't really see it, but that's got the red filter on. So just adding this lovely red hue to me. So I just slide it out. Oh, one take. So that's with the red filter off. So if I just put it there now, I'm just going to slide the diffuser out. So there's the diffuser out. Just seems, no, they're getting warm. Let's just put the diffuser back in. Can't really see what I'm doing. So that's the diffuser going back in. No, I can't see nothing now, guys. So I'm going to turn that off because it's a bit overpowering. So there you go guys, I'm going to turn it off. Let's just have a look. Yeah, so I'm just looking at my tablet comparing the picture. So that's with the light off. Yeah, it does actually. Yeah, it does sort of make it a better lighting, but yeah, I definitely want the 2 lights. Anyway guys, that's the light tested out. It does work. Now the only thing I did find actually, the cable's probably about 5 foot long, so you're gonna have to get extension leads out, I think, because unless you've got a power point quite close, you're gonna need an extension lead. But anyway, there you go guys, that was the Neewer USB powered LED lighting panel set. So I think the next video we'll actually do a proper lighting setup. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this one, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye for now.